Tutorial 2. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial will explain about the server's main screen. After you choose the models and log into the Mindset server as was explained in Tutorial 1, a screen, as presented, will be displayed. This is the server's main GUI. The top section of the screen displays the user level, which is currently logged into the system. There are 4 user levels. Level 1 is the administrator. The administrator is authorized to perform all actions, including setting passwords for other users. Level 2 is the engineer, who is authorized to perform all actions, excluding setting passwords for other users. Level 3 is the operator, who is authorized to approve and classify events. The operator is also authorized to start and stop running models. Level 4 is the viewer, who is capable of viewing all of data, but cannot make any changes, revisions or additions. The user level is determined by one's password. There are 3 tabs in this window. This tutorial will explain about the EDS tab. This tab displays the list of models we chose from the login screen. The status column of each model can be set at Run, Error, Paused, or Idle, in accordance with the model's state. To learn more about the model states, please review the relevant information in the Topics section of this website. The timestamp column displays the timestamp of the last record handled by the model. The 4 following columns, Rules, Hazard, Abnormal, and Sensors, represent 4 types of errors that can occur in each one of the models. If all is well, nothing appears in these columns. The severity column is an indication of how severe the event is. The remarks column contains notes about actions that have to be performed at the moment on this model. For example, comments about new events, or a need to save a new version of the model to the database. Below the table, there is a row of icons. From left to right. The glasses icon hides the screen, like the Minimize button in Windows Explorer. The on and off icon allows the user to start or stop a selected model from the list. The iPad icon displays the selected model's main screen. The chart icon allows the user to display several model variables in the same chart. For more details on this icon, watch Tutorial 23 on cross-models charts. The paper icon leads to the system log file, explained in Tutorial 22. The gear icon allows the user to change settings and definitions of the server. This matter is explained in another later tutorial. The plus and minus icons allow the user to load additional models during runtime or to stop existing models. The letter icon allows the user to track messages sent from each one of the models to the system administrators. The human figure icon allows the user to manage other users and is only accessible at the administrator level. The open box icon is for starting a new empty model. The deleted and existing folder icons allows the user to delete existing models. These icons are only accessible at the administrator level. The question mark icon displays the current version of the system. Below these icons, there is a list of system indicators and counters, informing the user about the system's status quo. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.